Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add screen animations to your Android's phone screen when it's on or off. So in here, what you need to do is open the settings on your Android devices, and here you can just scroll down until you find the dynamic effects option. So just hit on that option, and at the bottom there will be the screen on or off animation. So just tap on that, and there will be a few options that you can select it for your screen on or off animation. This is the first one. It will look like this. This is the second one from the left, and the third one from the top. So just choose which one that you want. I'm going to go with the first one right here, then tap on apply, and that's it. So the power screen animation will be enabled. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.